Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to block website categories using a FortiGate firewall. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. So to block website based on category, we first need to create a web filter profile. From the FortiGate dashboard, go to security profile, then click on web filter. Now click create new and set the inspection mode to flow based. Here you can see a list of all website categories by default. Most categories are set to block. Okay, so for these demonstrations I am going to block the web-based mail category. So select the web-based category, right click on it, change the action to block and then give the name to the profile and then click OK to save the profile. So testing before applying the policy. Now let's test this profile before applying the policy. I will open Google Chrome and try to access Outlook webmail. As you can see, Outlook is still accessible because we haven't applied this profile to any firewall policy yet. So now let's start apply the created web filter profile to the firewall policy. Go to policy and object, then apply firewall policy, enable web filter profile, and I will profile we just created, which is mail block profile. Then click OK to save the configuration. Testing after applying the policy. Now I will refresh the browser and open a new tab. As you can see, I will open the new browser and try to access the Outlook. As you can see on the live screen, Outlook is now successfully blocked. The category web-based mail has been blocked by the FortiGate firewall. And you can see URL, that is the outlook.new. So I will also try to access the gmail.com and it's also not getting open. Okay, so to see the logs that is getting the block by the FortiGate firewall, for that we need to go to log and report, then open the security event, then click on logs, and then here in the antivirus click on the web filter. Here you can see that Outlook is being blocked and the reason is the web-based email category. This confirms that the firewall is working as expected. Okay, so on the live screen you can see all the logs and date with the date and time. Source means the user, system's IP, what is the actions, what is the URL, what is the category, and send receive bytes. Okay, so I will show you another category block. So now I will block another category live to show you how easy this configuration is. So go to security profiles, open the web filter profile and edit the mail block profile. Scroll down to the shopping category, right click on it, set the action block and click OK to save. Final testing. Now I will open the browser and try to access the Flipkart. So I will type Flipkart and open that Flipkart websites, and on the live screen you can see that web page block, that is the block by the FortiGate firewall category is shopping and URL you can see. Let's me try Amazon as well, and it's also you will see that is getting blocked. So it's getting successfully blocked.